Gates open, they're up and racing. Royal Fair, the surgeon, moving up in between runners. Emergency call, field runner is by the rail. Ideal View comes next, then comes Preciosa, while Hakuna Matata is running at the tail of the field, heading towards the last 900. Field runner being joined by Emergency Call, racing now in third. Ideal View dropping back in fourth, the surgeon, then followed over by Preciosa, running alongside Royal Fair, and Hakuna Matata is still bringing up the rear as they rounded the last 600. Field runner just in front, throwing a challenge on the outside. Emergency Call, and now putting its neck to take the lead as they race to the last 450. Emergency Call, field runner is by the rail as they swing for home. Emergency Call by half length. Field runner is by the rail, racing in third. Ideal View, the surgeon, and down the stretch and leading the finish line. Emergency Call, field runner is by the rail. Ideal View is by the rail. We have Emergency Call, field runner by the rail. Emergency Call, field runner, Ideal View, and finally Emergency Call, field runner, Ideal View, the surgeon, Hakuna Matata, Preciosa, and Royal Fair.